What's a midlife crisis commercial?
The way that Corvette looks with the top off and it's red and you see the hair blowing out through the T-tops.
From Crystal?
I told Stephanie, you better thank God he's as young as he is, because any older, he'd be laughing at you. Like, look at that old guy trying to be cool. Trying to get it back. Nice one.
Yeah, it is. What's up, man? This is yours?
Yeah.
This is cool, man. What is it?
Thank you, man. It's a 1988 Cadillac Hearse.
Nice. And what did you do, man, to convert it?
We did paint, motor, training, fuel lines, brake lines.
What kind of motor?
4.3 Cadillac.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
So it motors too?
Yeah. Come look at the paint job. See the front?
Go ahead.
They could. This is one of our... 50%. Yeah, candy blue flames, white pearl. Here's the Acme girl.
This is... Appreciate
no
it.
problem, man. Thank you, bud.
So we following this guy into the mall. Nelson, where we at right now?
JV Mall, Yorktown Heights,
JV as in what?
Jefferson Valley.
Why are we at Jefferson Valley Mall?
Coming to check out the 93 Octane Crew store, man.
Store?
That's right.
Oh, so you got like a little kiosk or something with some shirts or something on it?
Yeah,
Or?
we're selling like little beanies and
But
stuff
is it a kiosk or something, or
Yeah, it's a
little-
small little tiny thing.
little tiny thing?
Yeah,
Got you.
you know.
All right, well, let's check it out. Let's see what we got. There's always that one guy, right? Oh, so normal mall. What made you want to put a store in a mall, bro?
Air conditioning, man. I mean, you know, we got these cars and everything. We're out there sweating, you know, pavement. There's got to be a better way to show off a car. You know what I mean?
But I thought it was just a kiosk. What do you mean show off a car? I don't understand.
Kiosk or, you know.
A car next to a key. Oh, so it's like when the dealership puts the car like in the middle, and then everybody touches and beeps on it.
Something similar to that.
Something
you know,
similar to that?
You gotta watch out for the kids with the ice cream and stuff like that. They just
Correct.
Like, run up to the car, smash it, but
Correct. I got you. All right, well,
you know,
we almost there, or we almost to the kiosk?
yeah, just keep on going straight. You know.
Just keep on. Why does your kiosk have a sign behind? Oh my goodness, is that a car? Wait a minute.
This is a little kiosk that we got going on.
This, wow. What? This is your idea of a kiosk?
You know, can't go too big.
Wow. This is crazy. Damn.
So this is our little kiosk.
This is the little kiosk.
Welcome to the 93 Octane Crew store.
This is ridiculous.
No, you're not allowed to go in any of them. You can only look at
This is ridiculous.
But right there, see that white Mustang?
Yeah.
It's coming out. They're going right in there, man.
All right, cool. Oh, this thing looks familiar. This the Earl Scheib car, right?
It's the Earl Scheib. Stock Mustang, Earl Scheib paint, eBay suspension.
Nice. This is redonkulous. What's up, everybody? Look whose car made it in. Mr. Mike's C5 is in the mall lineup.
So when they got into building this one, they bought the panel and they opened the wheelhouse to fit the bigger tire in. Because when it was built, it had 13-inch tires, the wheelhouse was like that wide.
What size is this tire?
This is a 33, 19, 50, 15. So it's 33 inches tall, 19 and a half inches wide with a 15-inch rim.
And you still get no traction, don't you?
Well, if it gets hot enough, it'll lift the wheels. But yeah, it kind of just spins along all over the place.
I am your father.
You messed it up. Why you messing with it?
I couldn't see.
Wait, I'm not ready. Go. Now do it without bumping your mirror.
The Emperor has been expecting you.